अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हमारा सब्जेक्ट है पाकिस्तान स्टडीज़। कोड है पाक 301। रियल क्विज़ के स्क्रीनशॉट्स हैं और ये मिड टर्म का सिलेबस कवर करेंगे। मेरे पास ऑलमोस्ट 60 क्वेश्चंस हैं, तो आइए जल्दी से इसको रीड करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन, इन विच ईयर द मुस्लिम पॉलिटिकल लीडर्स इस्टेब्लिश इंडियन पेट्रियाटिक एसोसिएशन इन द सब कॉन्टिनेंट। ये है इन 1888। Second question, who was Khizr Hayat Tiwana, the president of Unionist Party? तीसरा question, why did Quaid-e-Azam launch Direct Action Day on August 16, 1946? Answer है to oppose the Congress policies. Next page. What did Iqbal express in his letters to Jinnah from May 1936 to November 1937? He mentioned a separate federation of Muslim provinces. Next question, who said that Islam is a people building force in India that has given moral consciousness and political identity to the people? अलामा इकबाल। आंसर है हमारा अलामा इकबाल। नेक्स्ट, व्हेन क्रिपिस मिशन वाज सेंट टू इंडिया बाय द ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट? इन मार्च 1942। नेक्स्ट पेज, इन विच ईयर अलामा इकबाल रिटर्न टू इंडिया फ्रॉम यूरोप? इन 1908, 1908। When All India Muslim League was established? 1906. Next question. Indian problem is not communal but international. No constitution can work without recognizing this reality. Muslims of India will not accept a constitution that establishes a government of the Hindu majority on them. If Hindus and Muslims are placed under the democratic system, this would mean Hindu Raj. When did Quaid-e-Azam say this statement? On March 24, 1940. Next page हमारा, when Sir Syed Ahmad Khan favored separate electorate for the Muslims of India, 1883. On which document Muslim League was divided into two groups? Nehru Report. Next, who describes that the low caste Hindus are Harijan or sons of God? Gandhi. Next page. How many seats were captured by the Congress in elections of 1937? 704. When the Direct Action Day was observed by the Muslim League? August 16, 1946. Next page. To which document Quaid-e-Azam remarked as it is parting the ways? Communal Award. Next, for how many years Allama Iqbal stayed in Europe? For 3 years. If some satisfactory settlement cannot be found for Muslims in United India, the Muslim will have to demand for division of the country. Who said this statement? Allama Iqbal. Next page. When did the Congress start its non-cooperation movement? In 1942. When did Chaudhry Rahmat Ali establish Pakistan National Movement? In 1933. Which one of the following Muslim leaders was not in the favor of two-nation theory? Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Next, in which constitutional document Diarchi system was introduced in the Indian provinces? Government of India Act 1919. When the rule of East India Company was ended in the British India? In 1858. Indian problem is not communal but international. No constitution on. इनफैक्ट ये क्वेश्चन रिपीट हुआ है तो आप इसको देख लीजिए, आंसर भी सेम है और स्टेटमेंट भी इसकी सेम है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हेन सर सैयद अहमद खान जॉइंड ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट एज हेड क्लर्क 1839, हाउ मैनी सीट्स वर कैप्चर्ड बाय द कांग्रेस इन इलेक्शंस ऑफ 1937? 704. Who started the mass Muslim contact movement during the Congress ministries 1937 to 1939? The Congress. Next, what was the main objective of the appointment of Mountbatten as Viceroy in 1947? To wind up the British rule in India. For what purpose Muslim League branch in London was established? To create better understanding between Muslims and the British government. ये हमारा लास्ट क्वेश्चन था। बहुत शुक्रिया।